In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and manage add-ins in Microsoft Outlook efficiently using our 2025 guide. Let's jump right in to enhance your Outlook experience with powerful extensions. First, we need to navigate to the Outlook homepage. You can do this by simply opening your Outlook application. Once you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the upper toolbar situated at the top of your window. This toolbar is where all your main options are lined up, ripe for exploration. Take a moment to identify the icon that looks like a collection of tiny squares. This represents additional apps. Sometimes it's labeled as More Apps, depending on your version of Outlook. Moving forward, click on this icon to reveal a drop-down list. This will display a selection of handy options that Microsoft Outlook offers to optimize your workflow. Among these options, look for and click on Add-ins. This will open up a new window titled Add-ins for Outlook. Within this window, you have the ability to explore a range of add-ins that can cater to your specific needs, whether it be enhancing productivity, managing meetings more efficiently, or integrating other useful tools. You have both the browse option as well as a search bar to swiftly locate any specific add-in you have in mind. Once you've found an add-in that suits your requirements, the next step is to click the Add or Install button located right beside it. It's as simple as clicking a button to initiate the installation process. The great thing about Outlook add-ins is they install promptly, allowing you to continue with your tasks without any disruption. After you've successfully added an add-in, you'll notice it appears on your Outlook ribbon or side panel. This quick access makes using the add-in straightforward and integrates seamlessly into your day-to-day email management processes. This feature enhances your Outlook interface, effectively transforming it into a more personalized and efficient workspace. Remember, add-ins are designed to make your life easier by integrating your day-to-day online activities into a single platform. Feel free to explore and try out different add-ins to see what tools can best streamline your email management and work processes. With this guide, installing and managing these powerful tools should become intuitive and effortless. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to installing and managing add-ins in Microsoft Outlook, tailored for 2025. Hopefully, this has shed light on how you can effortlessly enrich your email interactions with useful tools. If you found this helpful, don't hesitate to like the video and hit subscribe for more tech guides. See you in the next video.